Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and this is a very small quick Dollar Tree haul. So I did pick up two of these strong and soft. These do not last long, so I don't recommend them, but it's just like something in a pinch. These do not last, but anyway, they try to make it look super big and everything, but it's not. It's just soft and strong. Whatever. It's just toilet paper. So I picked up two things of these at the Dollar Tree. Then I picked up this plastic container with a lid. I'm going to make a homemade dish soap this time. And you got to let it cool, of course, before I pour it in here because this is plastic. But I'm going to use it for that purpose. So I got that. Then I picked up this. This is also good for laundry, soaking your, for stains, carpets, a whole bunch of stuff. You could even use this for like scrubbing your tubs and toilets and, a whole bunch of stuff. I like to make carpet cleaner and do clothes and things like that with this product. So this is the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen. So I got that. Then I got another one of these. I love this one, the orange one. So this is the Oxygen Orange LA's Totally Awesome. You could do the same thing, clothes, cleaning stuff in the house. You can also use this for carpets, etc., etc. So I got that for that purpose. Then these are not the best, but I'm gonna make something with this. This is like LA's Totally Awesome. This is the carpet cleaner. I'm gonna try this in my shampooer and do different stuff with this to see if I could get some spots and stains out of my carpet. But this is like in the spray, so I'm just gonna open it up and pour it in my stuff. And it says a new formula, so hopefully it works a little bit better, more improved, I guess. Then I got a box of tissues right here, the Scott tissues, because my son says his nose be running. So I just picked up one of those. Then I picked up two of the candies right here. I love this. I couldn't find the maple creams that I bought last time. They were so good. These are a harder candy, but they're filled with caramel, and this one's filled with green apple. This one here is a different kind. This is a vanilla cream. So I grabbed those to try, and the apple one I already tried already. It's really, really good. Then I picked up the LA's Totally Awesome. Now this is good for all kinds of stuff. It takes out hair dye. You can see on the bottle right here, it does a million things. Not crazy about the smell, but it does do the job. It does clean carpets really good. So I got this also for carpet cleaning and a whole bunch of projects that I'm going to be doing. I picked up some Tylenol, two things of the Hershey bars, and then the last thing is some cheap headphones. Just some cheap basic earbuds. And that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at the $1.25 Dollar Tree store. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to be making some homemade cleaning products. I'm going to be experimenting with my own stuff, doing some carpet cleanings and a whole bunch of stuff today. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.